Wow, don't they look beautiful? I'm amazed. It's so satisfying to grow, harvest and eat your own food.
I'm looking for... Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Just when we thought the weather in London is getting warmer, today's temperature is below 15 degrees and it's very windy. But I'm glad it's raining. We had a very dry period for the past couple of months. I'm really glad it's raining today. The garden was so dry. We want to get the garden a little bit wet before we can start planting.
In this video, we'll be giving you guys a garden update and a few tips as we go along. And I'm so excited to say this. We'll be harvesting our first leafy greens of 2022. Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. About 6 weeks ago, we uploaded a video, which leafy greens should you start in March? And mashallah, I'm very happy to say, our lettuce leaves and radishes are looking really beautiful and they're ready for harvesting. Wow, let me just swipe this. Look at this beautiful looking radish.
That looks really beautiful, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Do you
Put
want
this
to
in
put
the basket.
Basket? Oh wow. Just scrape the soil off.
And this one.
Yeah, just take them out.
Dad, do you think we should harvest more or is this enough?
I think we should harvest all of them. We can share this with your brothers and sisters.
Yes, that's a good plan.
Yeah, we can
I'll
share
get
this with
onto
my
it.
other son, elder sons and daughter. And that will give enough room for those cucumbers to grow. Okay, have you noticed? We've got cucumbers growing.
Oh yeah, we do.
Yeah, we have cucumbers coming up. Yes, so we need plenty of room for the cucumbers.
Yes, we do. Let's harvest these radishes.
Put them in this water there so that we can wash them as we... Take your time. Can you manage?
Yeah, I got this, Dad. Wow, don't they look beautiful? I'm amazed. It's so satisfying to grow, harvest and eat your own food.
I'm looking forward to eating them. They look beautiful, don't they?
Yes, they do.
Now you can grow radish throughout the summer. I'm going to grow radish again this year. I love eating radish mullies, especially the bigger ones. So,
They look so beautiful.
so fresh.
Yes.
So if you haven't planted any radish, check out our video that we made, how to start your leafy green in a modular seed tray. And when they shoot up, you can plant them out into the ground, or you could just sow the seed into the ground now.
Dad, I think we should harvest some lettuce leaves now.
Yes, I think these lettuce leaves look so beautiful.
I'm really pleased with these radishes.
Oh, so am I. Okay, these beautiful. They look beautiful, don't they?
Nice and green.
Oh wow, look at that.
Wow. Look. So beautiful.
So how about That should be enough lettuce leaf for today. That was so satisfying. Now let's give you an update of the plants that we're growing inside the greenhouse and the plants that we intend to grow out into the ground. Now it's the 11th of May, and I know we had a good spell, good weather past few weeks, and everyone's excited about growing them out into the ground. But I'm going to actually think of the mistakes that I've made in the past. I planted Deshi vegetables out into the ground early May, and a lot of my plants died. So this year I'm not going to take that risk. I'm going to wait till end of May. I've already started potatoes, which I showed you in one of my videos, and a lot of leafy green out into the ground, but I haven't planted any hodu, flat beans, bitter gourds. So these are my bitter gourd plants. This is bitter gourd, this is snake gourd. Now they're ready to be planted out, but I'm going to wait. I'll see how the weather is. Now looking at the weather forecast, I think from next week the night temperature is going to stay above 10 degrees. I will plant them out when I see the night temperature stays above 10 degrees consistently, at least for a week, then I'll plant them out. These are my uri or seam plants, the flat beans, and mashallah they're looking nice and healthy. They're perfect size for me to keep them in inside the greenhouse, and I'm hoping to plant them out next week when night temperature stays above 10 degrees consistently. And before I plant them out, I'm going to have to harden them off, acclimatize them to outside weather by taking them out for a few hours, placing them in the shade, in the sun, in the rain, and slowly getting them hardened off. This is my cucumber, doing great. Oh, this is my bottle gourd plant. Mashallah, they're doing well, and I'm hoping to plant them next Sunday if the weather is not too sunny. When planting out, choose a day cloudy, when the weather is not too hot, not too sunny. Now this is one of my other bottle gourd plants. This one I planted quite early actually, so this is ready to be planted out. Okay, these are tomatoes. Some of the tomatoes I've already planted inside the greenhouse, and these are for planting outside. Okay, this is my cicinda plant. Mashallah, it's looking nice and healthy. And these are my bitter gourd. They look beautiful. I'm really pleased with them. That's another cicinda. Now these are my other bottle gourd plants. I started them after we came back from Saudi Arabia, and that was only 3 weeks ago, and the plants are growing very fast. So hopefully they should be ready by end of May. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not going to get in a panic mode. I'm going to use my previous experience. I know when you plant them too early, the chances are we'll get bad weather and they will die. This is cucumber. And I think this is courgette. Just in case you missed our last video, we showed you how to make a garden trellis for your climbing plants, for your hodu. We made a solid trellis using timber. I think you should watch that video if you're growing hodu this year. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like our videos and share our videos with friends and family. Try to inspire your friends to grow your own vegetables.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.
Dad, don't these look amazing?
They look beautiful, don't they? Oh wow. I'm looking forward to that beautiful hurkishira today.
Yes, me too.
And these beautiful lettuce leaves.